Hey YouTubers, I'm Jacob, and this is a walk around video of my buddy Christian's 2022 Chevy Silverado Trail Boss. Before we get started, I'm posting weekly videos for you guys, so I'd really appreciate it if you'd subscribe to my channel for more content. All right, let's get right into it. So Christian, what engine and transmission do you have in this truck?
So this Chevy here is the 5.3 liter V8 engine with a 6-speed transmission.
The Trail Boss comes with a suite of features typically seen on a Raptor or high-end truck, with different driving modes and lots of cameras.
And then that black shark fin I was telling you about, so that is I'm not sure exactly what it is, but that puts all the cameras in one like this, so you can see if there's anything around you. It's a live camera footage of all that.
That's cool. And you can select which camera you want too.
As you're doing it. Those are the sides.
Whoa.
That's the front tow hitch. So if you're backing up.
Oh wow, so it's got two different rear cameras then.
Yeah, so you can kind of see if you're trying to do it by yourself. You can see right there.
More from overhead, yeah.
And then this is Hudson's favorite,
That's
the truck
cool.
bed.
Updates, recalls, service reminders, and software patches can all be managed from the vehicle's large screen. Wireless charging is also located in the center console, and the Trail Boss even comes with sport shift levers located on the steering wheel.
So Christian, do you haul or tow anything with your truck?
Actually never towed anything before on this, but I've hauled a lot. I own my own construction company, so I do a lot of, roofing materials, siding, wood, got paint in the back here, ladders, kind of miscellaneous things. But then also having two kids, we haul a lot of soccer gear, sports gear, things like that. So no towing yet. I'm sure it'll be coming in the future, but mainly just hauling. And there's plenty of space back here in the bed, and then if it's something longer and I put the tailgate down and strap it down, it works great.
So Christian, do you plan to do any upgrades to your truck?
At this moment, no. I have only had the truck since September, so there's not really any upgrades that I've thought about having to do yet. I haven't ran into an opportunity or a situation where I needed something, but I do plan on putting a bed cover on. I like the trifold ones, so currently looking into different ones like that, but we'll see. I don't have anything top of mind yet, but that is something that I will be doing. So one upgrade that I did do on this Trail Boss is I've installed these new running boards on. I thought about doing them and getting them at the dealership, but then after just looking online, there's more opportunities or different running boards you can get. It's kind of an oversaturated market in my opinion, but a heck of a lot cheaper, and it's not too hard to install yourself, just with a wrench and some bolts, and you got your running boards on.
Christian, is there anything you would change about your truck?
And the only thing I think I would change is the price on it. They are not inexpensive by any means. You pay a pretty penny, but at the same time, it's been great. It runs great. It's very quick. Never had any issues with having to haul anything. I will just say, especially with the state of the economy, being able to get parts, supply chain issues, it kind of is what it is as far as pricing goes for trucks. So, but at this point in time, they are on the higher end side, in my opinion. Most expensive vehicle I've ever bought. But as far as the look and the feel and the performance, I wouldn't change anything. All in all, it would just be the price.
Yeah. I love the aggressive look of the Trail Boss. It's definitely got the little more sportiness to it.
That's exactly why I decided to choose this over just the standard Silverado or the Silverado High Country, is because it kind of had that sportier off-road look, even though it's almost exactly the same. It's just really the look with the hood, with the two tow hooks in the front, and then also the little bump out it's got on the hood there. And then all Trail Bosses have the factory 2-inch lift on them, bigger tires and rims. And that's really kind of what sold me on it, was actually just the black rims and tires on it. And whether or not that's the right decision to purchase a truck, I don't know. But in the end, that's why I decided with the Trail Boss over just the standard 1500 Silverado.
So Christian, would you buy this truck again?
Another great question, Jacob. And that's a tough one because I do love the truck. It's had one issue so far. I purchased it in September. We're filming this in May. It had a bad fuel injector. I think that there's been issues with this from Chevy, because many other dealerships were telling me the same thing. And of course, that part's on back order. So it took a long time to come in, but dealership took care of it. Ever since then, it's ran great. I think there's been 2 minor recalls. But again, I want to reiterate, I love the truck. I think it's great. Would I buy this again? More than likely, no. I am a big fan of the Toyota Tundras. I like the look and the performance and what they have more than the Chevy Trail Boss. However, again, with the state of the car industry and everything, there were no Toyota Tundras available. And it was something that I needed to get much sooner rather than later, and I was looking at a 6 to 9 month wait to get a Tundra.
Wow.
The other thing too is the Tundras were a little bit more expensive, so
Yeah.
I'm good with this. So, in a roundabout way, no, I wouldn't purchase this again. But am I happy with the purchase? Yes. Would I recommend it? Yeah.
Christian, thank you for allowing us to do a walk around of your truck. This is a really cool Trail Boss.
Thanks, Jacob. I appreciate it. Anytime, and I think I'm going to be keeping this for quite a while, but next truck I get, we'll definitely do something similar like this.
All right. Thanks for watching this walk around video. And if you have any questions, please post them in the comments below. I'm posting weekly videos for you guys, so please subscribe to my channel for more content. Thanks for watching. So Hudson, what do you like most about this truck?
That it's blue, because my favorite color is blue.